13 years ago, audiences across America were horrified by the brutality of a faceless killer. Now, after more than a decade of silence, he has come out of hiding. Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, directed by Tobe Hooper. Now playing at theaters everywhere. 13 years ago, it began. And ever since, people have lived with the fear that on any lonely road, on any moonless night, in any quiet shadow, the terror could return. Tobe Hooper's Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Part 2. Starts Friday, August 22nd at theaters everywhere.